welcome back to my channel. My name is Shuan, and for today, come and join me as I cook the famous chicken adobo. But for this recipe, we'll be making it very spicy. Before we begin, if you are not subscribed yet to my channel, guys, please do so by clicking the link down below, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can be updated on when I post a new one. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Now, without further ado, let's cook spicy chicken adobo. So for our ingredients, you will need adobo cuts of chicken. This is the breast and rib part. About 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of liquid seasoning, a dash of basil leaves, salt and pepper to taste, 1 medium-sized onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 pieces of siling labuyo, 1/8 teaspoon of chili powder, and lastly, 2 tablespoons of white sugar. So the first thing that we will be doing is to prep our marinade for the chicken. This will also serve as our sauce or sabaw. So first, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, then 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/8 teaspoon of nor liquid seasoning, salt and pepper, chili powder, about 1/8 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and a dash of basil leaves. Just mix all the ingredients together. This is my own version of chicken adobo recipe. I don't usually follow traditional recipes because sometimes you do not have the ingredients that you will need for those specific recipes. So instead, I only use what I've got. Okay, so once that's mixed, let's pour them into our chicken. We need to marinate the chicken first in order for the taste to sit through the chicken. We need to poke it a little bit. You can use the fillet if you want. Now, if you will be cooking more than 1 kilo of chicken, then I would suggest you adjust the ingredients that you will be using. I only follow the 1:1 for the soy sauce and the vinegar. Okay, so set this aside first while you prepare the rest of the ingredients, meaning slicing the onions, the garlic, and the chili. Just chop your onions into smaller pieces. Then just mince the garlic. You wash it first, then remove the edge, just slice it into smaller pieces. If you want to have your adobo more spicy, I would suggest add more chilies. If you don't want spicy, then you can lessen the chilies or you can opt it up. So everything is ready. Now for the chicken, just marinate it for at least 30 minutes to an hour if you have time, but that's fine if you can just marinate it for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, to start cooking with, add a bit of oil. I'm using the traditional wok in the Philippines. So I like cooking in this pan because mas madali siyang maluto pero hindi siya yung nasusunog agad. Kaya mas gusto ko to kasi makapal siya. Anyway, once na mainit na yung ating oil, you can put in the chicken. Don't put in the sauce yet. Yung chicken lang muna, parang medyo ipiprito lang natin siya. And you will expect, habang niluluto niyo yung chicken, nagkakaroon siya ng sabaw. Mamaya makikita niyo medyo magkakasabaw siya. Or parang magtutubig. Ganun. Okay, mainit na yung ating oil. Let's start putting our chicken. Dapat medyo iniikot-ikot niyo yung chicken para sure na all sides are cooked very well. So, once the chicken is cooked, then you can remove it from the pan. So, as you can see, di ba, parang nagtubig na yung chicken. So, nagkaroon ng sabaw yung ating niluluto ngayon. Okay, so I think our chicken is all done. Let's remove it from the pan. You need to remove then yung sauce niya, itong sabaw. We will use it later on. So, add a bit of oil again. Then this time, igigisa na natin yung garlic. Ang gusto ko talaga sa adobo, medyo yung nagmamantika. So, kaya madami tayong mantika din na ginamit. Now, if you're worried about the oil, of course, you can use an alternative oil naman. And, syempre, babawasan nyo din yung gagamitin yung oil. But I'm using coconut oil, so this is healthy as well. Then you can add in the onion. And lastly, the siling labuyo. Actually, parang mas gusto ko siya na mas marami pang sili. Pero, tatansyahin muna natin. For now, tama na muna yan. Now, you can add back the chicken. So, medyo igigisa-gisa nyo muna yung chicken. The original sauce kung saan natin binabad yung chicken. Make sure na binabalik-baliktad niyo yung chicken para mabalutan talaga siya ng sauce all around. Now, once na talagang kumulo yung sabaw, you may add in yung sabaw na kung saan natin niluto munang una yung chicken. So, just let it boil for at least 5 minutes. For my chicken, gusto ko talaga yung tuyo na sabaw. Now, if you want medyo saucy, you can add a little bit of water. For me, that would be enough. After 5 minutes, pwede nyo na siyang takpan para mas lalo pang maluto yung chicken natin. And isa pa, gusto ko rin sa chicken kasi sa adobo is yung naghihiwa-hiwala yung fiber. Almost parang naghihiwa-hiwalay na siya or yung madali siyang maghiwalay, kumbaga. So just let it boil for now. Then after a while, you can put a lid on it. Okay, so as you have seen earlier, habang hinihintay natin kumulo siya, binabalik-baliktad ko yung chicken. This will prevent as well para hindi masunog naman yung kabila or yung ilalim ng ating pan. Anyway, 5 minutes is up, so we'll put a lid to it first. Medyo bababaan na rin natin yung heat para hindi naman masunog talaga. So, just let it cook for another 10 minutes. Okay, for sure nagtataka kayo bakit hindi ako gumamit ng dahon ng laurel. And sa halip na yung either buo na paminta or yung parang dinurog na paminta is ground black pepper ang ginamit ko. That is because yung sa pepper, ayoko kasi talaga nung buo. Na iirita akong kumain ng buo na pepper. Then, wala akong dahon ng laurel and hindi rin naman natin nakakain yun basta. So, instead, I've used the basil leaves. So, yun. Okay, so, medyo nag-subside ng ating sabaw. Yan. Baliktarin ulit natin yung chicken para yung kabila naman yung maanuhan ng sauce. If you will notice, medyo thick yung ating sauce. That's because of the sugar and the oyster sauce. And isa pa, wala ka tayong nilagay na water dito. Medyo anuhin nyo din pala yung ilalim kasi for sure medyo nadikit na siya. If you will notice, halos oil na lang yung natira dun sa atin. Talagang gusto ko sa yan. Ang sarap niyan. Promise. Ano mo sa kanin. Kung alihin nyo, wala na talaga siyang sauce. As in, namuo na yung sauce niya. Tapos, ang naiwan na lang halos is yung oil. This is the oil from the chicken and yung ating ginamit na oil as well. The coconut oil. Medyo hininaan ko pa ulit yung ating kalan kasi malapit-lapit na to. Parang nangyayari na lang dun sa chicken natin is nafa-fry siya dun sa mantika. So, let it simmer pa for another 5 to 10 minutes. Then, it's ready to serve. So, yan guys. Ready na yung ating chicken. Now, pinatay ko na yung kala natin. Pero, mainit pa din kasi yung ating So, hayaan lang muna natin siya yung mag-simmer on its own. Then, after a while, you can start putting it on a serving plate. Okay guys, so there you have it, my very own version of spicy chicken adobo. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys and follow me on Instagram at myselfsweetlife. Thanks again guys for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!